What's going on, guys? This is Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we're looking at a 2020 Jeep Wrangler JL that we just got done lifting here at Krietz Customs. If you guys are looking to get your Jeep built with some new wheels and tires, a lift kit, you should definitely take a look at what we did to this one. This one's going to have that 2.5-inch rough country suspension lift kit, which is going to help raise it up and fit these bigger wheels and tires, which is going to be a 35-inch tire with a 22 by 12-inch wheel. So with the JL, so you don't need a 3.5-inch like you would with the JKs to fit the same wheel and tire package. With this one, we went with the base lift kit package from Rough Country. You can also upgrade and get the Vertex shocks to make sure you get that nice ride quality if that's what you're looking for. The tire is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is their step down from their mud terrain tire. So with this tire, you're still going to get the best of an all-terrain and a mud terrain tire. It's still going to get the aggressive sidewall, thicker tread to give some of that aggressive look and some off-road capabilities. But you can also take this, have this on-road as a daily driver with getting a nice quieter ride, and also still have a nice long tread life as well. You have two other options for a different tire. If you don't want to go with the Fury, you can go with the Nitto Ridge Grappler, which is something we highly recommend. It's going to give you a nice quiet ride, but you can also go with the Toyota Open Country AT3 as well. Down here we have a 22 by 12 TIS 547 and the gloss black. So that's TIS 547B if you're looking at the model number. And this one's going to have a mix between a concave and a deep dish look a little bit. So it's going to give you about a 4.5-inch lip with some concavity to the spokes, having the center of the spokes go back a little bit further into the wheel than the outside. This one's going to give you a nice, very clean look. I love how everything is all gloss black, even the TIS off-road on the edge of the wheel, and all the inside pieces, which would usually be milled, are also all gloss black, and then have one little accent of chrome on the center cap. This wheel also features the open lug, so you could add spike lug nuts to this if that's an option you are looking for. This wheel has that -44 offset, so that's going to create that lip and that concavity, but it's also going to push that wheel and tire package out about 4 inches or so to really give you a nice wider stance, a little bit more aggressive look. So if you guys like this build package and want to get it done on your Jeep, we can do that for you right here at Krietz Customs. But also make sure you check out our 0% financing so you can go ahead and get it built now and pay later.